In this video, I want to go over our 20 gallon per minute, 4,000 PSI slide-in package. Now you can put this in a van or a box truck. It's 20 gallon per minute, 4,000 PSI. Now that's really unique to the industry. We're using a 5-cylinder pump, and it's made by Penta. You can look it up. 5 cylinders is a whole lot better than 3 or 2 or 1. That's a great setup. We've been putting those out actually 40 years now. Big industrial pump, weighs 120 pounds. So the heart of the system's that. The other part's the Yanmar. This is a 59 horsepower Yanmar. Love it. We got a bunch of them out. These right here, panels open up. This is just an overview video, not so much safety or operations. If you need that, we're making them. Overview, I mean, just notice how you can get right at all the fluid changes here. Here you got your drains. It's set up super that way. You've got your hydraulic tank, fuel tank, antifreeze tank. Diverter valve for water or antifreeze. You get to select there. Primer valve. Just got a little water in it. I can hear it. So if you get a little air in there. Filter, good access. 330 gallon tank. I built this with 660 gallon tank. Those are the tall tanks. Gun holder on the side. Now your hoses are above deck. We do that so you can get at them. You're gonna have to change hoses. Hydraulic on off. That is really a sensitive valve. I love it. So this one's got the full package. The 3/8 hydraulic for the smaller lines, and you've got 500 feet a half inch on this line. So that way, at the point of attack, you can choose which line you want to go with. You got independent on-offs for all 3 reels. Okay. You've got an easy start valve, which is, we're known for that. Here's your hydraulic systems. Look at the size of that hydraulic drive that we use on those. Easy control. This one's got remote control back there. Hydrant fill. Put your little air gap. Drain. All your electronics are running Super Duty conduit. So this is a great setup. It also has a large radiator. So check that engine out. It's Yanmar. They also build all the units for John Deere. Thanks.